Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the diary notebook now. Pick OneDrive if you want access on phone and PC. Once done, add sections for years or themes so entries stay organized. Make a simple page template with date, mood, and tags to save time each day. This first setup takes minutes. It makes daily writing automatic. Make sure to enable sync and autosave so you never lose an entry and move on to adding content immediately. You now follow a repeatable daily workflow. Create a page titled YIMMDD plus a short subject for fast scanning. Next, drop in photos, audio, or handwriting. OneNote handles mixed media so you capture moments instantly. Use tags like important, personal, and idea to mark items you may want later. Tags make sorting and search fast. Once entries build up, use the search box to filter by tag or keyword, and make sure to tidy. You finish by organizing and protecting your diary. Archive older pages into yearly sections or export monthly PDFs to create snapshots. Make sure version history is enabled and keep periodic backups on OneDrive or a local drive so you can restore entries. If sync errors occur, force a sync, sign out and sign back in, and verify storage space. These steps usually fix conflicts. Finally, set a simple reminder so you write regularly. Consistency is what.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.